Robin's Hood Academy. Get a free course. English Language Basics for Beginners. Start your English learning journey from the basics. We make it easy for you to learn how to speak and write English fluently as a beginner learner. These English lessons will show you how to say and use almost anything in daily English conversation. Get started now with our speaking, vocabulary and grammar exercises that come with model answers. In this course, you will learn important topics and lessons in English, such as alphabet, numbers, saying hello, signs and symbols, telling the time, asking and answering questions about name, age, weather, classroom things, classroom instructions, days of the week, months of the year, seasons of the year, basic colors, simple shapes and much more. You will also learn through our well-crafted videos how to interact and deal with people in proper English. In a nutshell, these are the outcomes of our course. What you'll learn: basics of English skills, vocabulary, grammar, phonics and how to build a perfect sentence in English. Example, what are nouns? Who this course is for: beginner English learners who are interested to learn English from the basic. Certificates. Get Udemy certificate by completing entire course. By the numbers. Skill level, beginner level. Students, 38,723. Languages, English. Captions, yes. Lectures, 16. Video, 1.5 total hours. The price of the course $19.99. Free coupon for 2-day coupon code equals August 1. The link to the course with the free coupon is in the description below the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Robin's Hood Academy. Get a free course. English Language Basics for Beginners.